Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few months worth of time, it's actually just the past few weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, on Sunday afternoon or evening, then yeah, the chart is going to look much different to you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions at the time that you're watching this, that'll dictate the current status of the chart, at that moment in time, whenever you are indeed watching it. And going into the weekend, really the key level to watch, and that going to be kind of that first question that you ask yourself about, and that is, so let's just actually go with this. Let's just say you're watching this on Sunday afternoon. So Sunday afternoon, question number one that you need to just ask is, okay, where's the price at relative to 40.80, which is that red line up there? If you are answering the question that the price is up above there, that is telling you that the bulls are having themselves a very, very nice weekend, because that would imply that not only has the price continued to work its way up from where it is right now, but it's actually gotten a breakout of there. So in trading jargon, that would be a technical breakout if you are, like I said, on Sunday answering the question that, hey, the price is up above 40.80. Now, of course, if you're watching this, Saturday afternoon or Saturday night, then yeah, that would also be a breakout at that point in time. The point here being that you can, keep an eye on that level is going to keep the overall chart relevant for as long as possible to monitor if the price can get a breakout or not. Because at the time of this video, yeah, there has been some nice green candles working their way forward. So it's kind of a question now of, is this momentum going to carry on into the weekend and create some sort of breakout? I don't know, but again, that's why that 40.80 mark is so important. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below that area, that doesn't necessarily mean anything bad. That could just mean consolidation, and I'll get to that more here in a second. So again, just because you may be answering the question that the price is still down below 40.80, that's not like end of the road or anything like that. Now, in the event you are answering the question that the price is below 40.80, the next immediate question you need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that green line there? Or in other words, 38.50. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 38.50, that would be telling you that all of a sudden, things have shifted quite a bit for the chart, and now the bears are taking back over. Because, stop and think about that. What that would imply. That would imply that the price has now rolled all the way back over here and then just continued on down. That would be a very bearish move. I highly doubt that's going to be the case. I'd be shocked if you were answering the question that the price is below 38.50. But then again, this is Bitcoin, so I suppose you never know. And then finally, if you're answering the question, well, the price is down below 40.80 but up above 38.50, then that's where it goes back to that word of consolidation. That would just mean that the price from the overall perspective is continuing to consolidate like it's essentially been doing for the past few weeks, just kind of going back and forth, back and forth. So again, if you're answering that question that the price is just simply still between these two lines, then consolidation is, the easiest word to summarize the price movement at, that moment in time when you are watching this video. But who knows, maybe a breakout is coming. We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.